Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here we want to present the journal because first introduces the names of our group members. Consists of 1 Anissa Fitriani, last name 051, 2 Yosi Alda Kaniza, last name 069, 3 Puput Mahardika Ningsari, last name 071.
Examining customer forecastation toward battery electric vehicle in Vietnam market. A combination of self-interest and pro-environmental approach. This research aimed at examining determinant of battery electric vehicle purchase in Vietnam market from both self-interest and pro-environmental perspective. Data collected from B200 BEV reverse show that purchase intention is positively affected by self-interest factors such as performance expectancy, effort expectancy, and facilitation condition. Additionally, intention could be set by personal norm, which is influenced by awareness of consequence and ascription of responsibility. Finally, intention is a reliable predictor of purchase behavior, and the relationship is moderate by personal innovativeness. This research provides various theoretical and practical implications to enhance public acceptance toward BEV. Along with the recovery of energy demand, the amount of CO2 emission is predicted to reach 33 GT, International Energy Agency 2021, which contribute greatly to climate change, respiratory diseases, and air pollution. Transportation sector, which is responsible for 70 GT of CO2, is a major source of emission. Statista 2020. In an attempt to alleviate the impact of transportation activities on the environment, many Western governments have taken action to phase out conventional vehicle and promote electric vehicle.
Okay, the next slide I will explain about background. The background of this journal is the Prime Minister has approved the strategy for developing automotive industry, which expanding domestic EV market is one of the top priorities. Nevertheless, there were no specific objectives related to the number of EV to be achieved. The research of Nazari et al. Showed that gender, education, ethnicity, income, and pro-environmental behavior are associated with the EV purchase intention in the US. The study proposed to incorporate both self-interest and pro-environmental motives in order to fully understand customer dedication. The study is expected to contribute a comprehensive theoretical basis and empirical. Okay, the next is theoretical literature review. People who express high purchase intention toward EV are usually young men and have a high level of education because they are very aware of environmental, show that range, reliability, safety, battery, and charging time are the main barriers that prevent customers from buying EV. In particular, many respondents are concerned about battery depletion during travel, long charging times, possible incident, and immature technology. Okay, show that range, reliability, safety, battery, and charging time are the main barriers that prevent customers from buying EV. In particular, many respondents are concerned about battery depletion during travel, long charging times, possible incidents, and immature technology. Meanwhile, other product features were identified as drivers of purchase intent, such as ease of use, faster acceleration, and cost savings. Although intent is an important predictor, greater interest is placed on actual buying behavior and factors that moderate the intent-behavior relationship. Nevertheless, most recent studies related to EV purchase have focused on purchase intent rather than actual purchase behavior. Okay, the next slide is managerial implication. On the findings, the study offers several implications for policy maker and BEV manufacturers. First of all, the advantage of BEV, such as emission reduction, fast acceleration, and energy efficiency, should be stressed in marketing campaign to convince rational decision makers. At the same time, it is necessary to invest in battery technology to enhance the range and shorten the charging time of BEV. Secondly, the ease of use should be demonstrated to customers via free public trial of BEV experience centers.
Thirdly, the public acceptance of BEVs is strongly affected by supporting infrastructure, thus is essential to development wide network of maintenance facility in charging station for BEVs. Fourthly, the damage caused by conventional vehicles to the environment in human health shall be present in marketing communication messages. As a result, customers will be aware of their responsibility in moral obligation toward protecting the environment by favoring the use of BEV. Contribution. This research, among other, performs expectancy is original interpreted is the perceived benefits or usefulness of the technology that help individuals improve their job performance. In this research context, PE refers to the benefits of BEVs that facility in efficient driver is compared to conventional vehicles. BEV is more energy efficient, offer faster acceleration, reduce noises, and increase smoothness during their operation. These driver might express higher performance. Limitation in future success. Limitation in potential success. Gaps in the future. Although the convenient sampling methods allow the successes to gather responses quickly, the result representativeness is limited. Additionally, the success scope was restricted in Vietnam market. Therefore, cross-border study should be carried out in the future to increase the general usability of research finding. The impacts of culture on customer purchase behavior will also be an interaction research topic. Final, personal in innovativeness is just one factor among various unknown moderator of the international behavior relationship. Conclusion that BEV purchase decisions is driven by both self-interaction in environmental factor, in particular performance expectancy, exports expectancy in facilitating conditions of positive antecedents of purpose intention. Meanwhile, there is no significant impacts of social influence in purpose intention. That facts of facilitation coordination on purpose behavior is also insignificant. Intention is a strong predictor of purpose behavior. In the intention behavior relationship can be positively moderated by personal innovativeness. That's all our we obligence presentation. If there are any mistakes, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.